Hey, what's up, guys? This is Daniel back from Bar Shield with Bar Tip Tuesday, episode 95. We have previously done a few bar tips in the past as far as what kind of brush you should be using on your bars, or where a good place to start. However, it is a reoccurring question that we get pretty frequently, so we thought it'd be a good idea to touch on it again. So, let's say you just bought a bar. It's zinc coated or has chrome or something like that, and you're wondering what brush you should be using. So our kit here comes with a stiff black nylon bristle brush here. So that's what you'll find in our kit. The reason being is we don't want the finish. So like this is my Rogue Ohio bar. I have a black oxide finish, so you have a more truer feel on the bar, so you get that kind of bare steel feel, but it doesn't offer a whole bunch of corrosion resistance, so I have to maintain the bar more frequently. So it's always a good rule of thumb, or at least a place to start, with something less aggressive. So a stiff nylon is something we tested extensively while we were developing our kit. We went from nylon, we did brass, we were looking at stainless steel, just had a few different options, and the stiff nylon held up a lot better than we ever anticipated, especially even on like bare steel bars or some of the more harsher finishes where people are traditionally using a stainless steel bristled brush or something much more aggressive right out of the gate. So with something like a black oxide, zinc, chrome, Cerakote, anything like that, we do not want to strip the finish right off the bar. I've seen it happen, on Texas powerlifting bars and stuff like that. So I don't even see a reason why you'd want to really risk that. So start with something less aggressive, such as a nylon, and then work up as needed, or if you really need to. A bare steel bar, it doesn't really matter because there's no finish on the bar. However, if you do have your own personal bar, or you're a gym owner, or you're maintaining bars on a frequent basis, it's something to be aware of. So start small and then work up as needed. So that was episode 95. Stay tuned next week for episode 96. Thanks for watching.